To install the Poly Windshield kit on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Begin by removing and retaining the two front mounts on the roof. Aluminum roof shown using T30 Torx socket. For poly roof, release quick clamps at front of roof. Then place the windshield against both A-pillars of the roll cage and position inside the windshield channel between the hood and the upper dashboard panel. Next, lift the front of the roof and slide the top of the windshield onto the roll cage. If you don't have an assistant, a small block can be used to hold the roof in a lifted position. After this, close the levers of the lock and ride clamps around the A-pillars. Be sure to remove the small block before tightening the two roof mounts. Finally, reinstall the retained front mounts and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.